A lot of people are thinking spring cleaning, but they're not really thinking safety in spring cleaning.
Mayo Clinic Dr. Clayton Cowell is an expert on occupational-related injuries. He's taking us on a tour of a typical home to see where possible hazards lurk. The 4 main ideas to safe cleaning are ventilation, proper storage, reading labels, and proper disposal. We'll start in the bathroom.
So this is one of the no-nos of cleaning up in the bathroom. You never want to mix ammonia and bleach together.
It creates fumes that can burn your throat, eyes, make you dizzy, and exacerbate conditions like asthma. And while you're safely cleaning the tub, it's a good idea to check for mold, as a little patch in a moist environment can spread.
Visible areas, there's some mold right there. Just wash it off. You just a little very diluted bleach would be all that you would need for an area like that.
Now let's head downstairs to the kitchen, where there's often lots of chemicals stored under the sink.
If you have small children, this is probably not the place that you want to store cleaning agents. It's oxalic acid, which can be quite caustic. This contains sodium hydroxide, which is essentially lye.
It's poisonous and can cause chemical burns. Keep them safely out of reach. And when it comes to batteries, make sure they're stored properly, away from the heat, water, other liquids, or anything combustible, and when they're dead, throw them away appropriately. So now I want to take you into a laundry room where there's a utility room, and the question I have is about an aerosol. How do you dispose of aerosol cans properly?
Well, the key is you don't want to take something like this and just throw it in your regular garbage can.
Most communities have hazardous material disposal sites, and that's important because aerosol cans can be dangerous.
If it is compressed under a lot of pressure, this can be a missile, even with a little bit of propellant left in it.
And speaking of cans, lots of folks spruce up by painting during spring cleaning.
In a poorly ventilated area, these can cause a lot of upper respiratory irritation, and ultimately, if you were to be exposed repeatedly to it, could cause neurologic issues.
Such as lightheadedness.
The key is to have adequate ventilation. So even simple strategies like using a plug-in fan.
That goes for both painting and cleaning. Now, garages are notorious places for cleaning no-nos, such as improper storage. Make sure extra gas is in official gas cans, not old rusty metal ones, and make sure all types of containers are labeled properly.
But we really don't know what's in here.
Yikes! Be sure to store and label things clearly, and definitely read existing labels before you use any product.
And so it is important to follow those label directions.
Using, storing, and disposing of cleaning agents correctly will make for a safe season of spring cleaning. For Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Vivian Williams.